Finding the right payment solutions is key for any business looking to grow. Today, we're diving into a common question for companies operating in Singapore: can Airwallex accept PayNow payments? The short answer is a definitive yes. Airwallex fully supports PayNow for accepting payments. As a business, this is great news. PayNow is Singapore's instant bank transfer network, immensely popular among consumers. By integrating PayNow, you instantly open your business up to a vast local customer base who prefer this convenient, real-time payment method. Here's how Airwallex makes it work for you. You can accept PayNow payments through their global payment gateway, which can be integrated into your e-commerce website or app. Airwallex generates a dynamic PayNow QR code at checkout. Your customer simply scans this code using their preferred banking app, and the payment is instantly completed. The support extends beyond just a website checkout. You can also use Airwallex's Payment Links feature to generate a URL or a QR code to share on invoices, via email, or even messaging apps. A fantastic option if you don't have a traditional online store. For businesses looking to collect funds in Singapore dollars, Airwallex is a powerful platform. It allows you to accept local payment methods like PayNow, giving your customers the seamless experience they expect, while you benefit from a single, unified platform for all your global and local transactions. Ultimately, integrating PayNow via Airwallex helps boost your conversion rates in the Singapore market by offering a trusted, familiar, and fast way to pay. It's a smart move for any business aiming for local growth.